What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of JDM for All. Today's video is about the second gen lifted 2003 Honda CR-V. We're actually going to be talking about the effects of the tune-up that I just did. I did a small tune-up. I actually changed the spark plugs in the CR-V, and this is something that you definitely want to do. It's super cheap, and it's really easy. If you guys missed the video, I will link it in this video when I actually did the spark plug change in the CR-V. It's been about a month, and so far I have seen great results, guys. Haven't changed the spark plugs in the CR-V pretty much over 7 years, and now, guys, I am seeing great results. I actually see pretty much around 40 to 50 miles gained per tank, so that is a really good benefit of doing a small, easy change like the spark plugs is, that I actually have seen 40 to 50 miles easily gained on each tank of gas. So that is that's a big difference, and that is a lot more miles that I can travel just by changing the spark plugs. I did want to mention that all of these miles gained are actually in city driving, so if I was to take a road trip or drive on the freeway, I would definitely probably have a lot more miles gained than just what I'm talking about in this video. So like I said, I have changed the spark plugs in the CR-V, but I still need to do the coil packs. I will do that in a future video, but for now, I just changed the spark plugs about a month ago, and I am seeing great results. That is one thing that you will probably see is you'll see the vehicle run smoother. I did see that in the CR-V. It does run smoother with the AC on, with the headlights on. Sitting at a light with nothing on, it does run a lot smoother, and that is one reason why I wanted to change the spark plugs. Obviously, with the fuel prices the way that they are, obviously it's always a good idea to keep up on your maintenance, but with the fuel prices the way that they are, it's always a good idea to change your spark plugs, change your coil packs, change your oil. All of that stuff will help, and it will make your vehicle run better as well. So I do need to do the coil pack still. I did not do that, but so far I am seeing a lot of benefit from just changing the spark plugs. It is running smoother. I did want to make a video talking about this. If you guys are noticing any of those effects, first thing you probably want to do is to change the spark plugs, coil packs. I'm assuming I had a small misfire because it does run a lot better. So just want to make a quick video talking about the benefits of changing the spark plugs and an update on the CR-V. So next thing on the list, guys, will be coil packs. I am just going to renew them. I'm not going to be changing each coil pack. Down the road, I'll probably change the coil packs. And I have renewed the coil packs on Civics before. It seems to make a really big difference. Basically, all you do is change the seals on them and the spring, the little spring that actually conducts the electricity to the spark plug. So you don't always have to change the coil pack, the whole coil pack. You could just renew them. It's a lot cheaper. I think it's like $7 each coil pack or something versus like, I don't know, $60 to $100 depending on where you buy them from. So this is just a quick update on the CR-V and the really easy spark plug change that I actually just performed on it last month. Wanted to update you guys, let you guys know of the benefits and everything that I have noticed so far just by changing the spark plug. So yeah, like I said before, next on the list, coil packs. We are going to at least renew them. But so far, so good, guys. I'm seeing an average of 40 to 50 miles gained per tank, which is incredible. Definitely good, especially with fuel prices. So I do have some videos on the way on the CR-V. We are going to be changing the corner lights on the CR-V, the blinkers, I believe. I do have some LEDs that I will be swapping out for the incandescent stocks. And I also have some other videos planned as well. So if you guys haven't already, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.